Good day, ladies and gents. Welcome to the channel. So to link your Maya accounts to Foodpanda, follow my steps. Launch the Foodpanda app on your device and log in. After that, go to your payment settings. Tap on your profile icon or the menu in the top left corner. Select payment methods from the list. Tap Add Payments Method or Add New Card. Choose debit/credit card as the payment option. Enter your Maya card details. Save the details when prompted. After that, you will need to verify your card. Depending on your card security settings, Maya may send an OTP for the verification. Enter this one-time password to confirm the card. Add your desired items to your Foodpanda cart. At checkout, select your linked Maya card as the payment method. Confirm the order, and your Maya account will be charged accordingly. Now you're all set to enjoy hassle-free payments on Foodpanda with your Maya accounts. Guys, enjoy the video, like and subscribe. See you in the next one.